Hi guys, this is Sahid, your anchor, back on the Visiport Finders channel today. Today we shall be talking about Germany easing its immigration laws to attract skilled workers to Germany. And guess what? These laws would also permit people to actually migrate to Germany with or without a job offer. Isn't that surprising? So while other countries actually are trying to restrict migration, Germany has actually put in place a new law that attracts migrant workers to Germany. What that means literally is that we now would have less red tape. That would mean lower hurdles for workers, for foreign skilled workers, particularly from outside of the European Union. Germany actually is a Central European country, and it is the second most populous in Europe, following Russia. Um, it is also the most populous country in the European Union. The nation's capital and the most populous city is Berlin, and its main financial center is Frankfurt. So what has happened is that the criteria for migration, for jobs actually will be lowered. The criteria will be lowered for salary, for educational level, and language ability. So this would make it easier for migrants to actually get into Germany with or without a job offer even. And the incentives actually being also that they would be able to bring their spouse and children, and not just spouses and children, but also parents. So this is a major shift in the policy for Germany. For decades, Germany government has resisted the idea that it is a country for migration. And after years of low unemployment, German business leaders actually are sounding the alarm about the lack of workers. And this problem is exacerbated by an aging population. And this is also occasioned by the fact that baby boomers born in the 60s actually will soon be heading for retirement. So millions of job vacancies are reported to already be needing to be filled. And with labor shortages seen as the biggest risk facing the German economy right now. So Germany's skilled worker shortage is actually highlighted by staggering statistics. And according to data, there are currently nearly 2 million vacancies or over or slightly over, which steadily is even increasing year over year. So what that means literally is that the labor shortages keep going up year after year. So what are the changes to this current law? So the changes basically are the fact that the reform would bring about what is called the opportunity card. So the opportunity card, would give kind of the opportunity for a job hunting provision based on a point system just to ease migration into Germany. And the selection criteria for this opportunity card would include things such as qualification, language knowledge, which include English, German. Work experience is one key factor, as well as connection to Germany and age. So the point system can actually be considered somewhat similar to what happens in Canada. So with the Canadian comprehensive ranking system, which is called the CRS, and with this, which the CRS kind of assigns points to eligible candidates based on the categories like skills, education, language ability, your work experience, and other factors for immigration to the country. So the way the card will work is that with the point system under the opportunity card, foreigners who don't have a job lined up will be permitted to come to Germany and would be given a year to find an employment. The prerequisite will be holding a vocational qualification or a university degree. So points will now be awarded, for example, if you have a language qualification, like you've written a language, you've taken a test in German or in English, those language skills would be assessed. If you've got any existing ties to Germany, and also your potential of accompanying life partners or spouses on German labor market. Also, these new reforms also actually seek to make it easier for prospective employees to bring in their dependents with them. And an opportunity card permits casual workers to work for up to 20 hours a week. And while looking for a qualified job, they would be able to continue their job. So also that would allow probationary employment, which would also be permitted on this opportunity card. So it would be similar, the situation for those that have been on tourist or visa. They would actually not necessarily be required to have to leave Germany first before returning in an employment context. So what are you waiting for? This new immigration law would be effective from information available on 1st of March 2024. So all we need to do is to put all our documents together, and whatever is still missing, we'll find a way to close those gaps and find our way to Germany. So that's the summary of the information that we got today from Germany. And I will tell you that this is worth trying, and more so with most of the countries today trying to shut the doors. Why not explore a country that is actually trying to get its own borders open? So if this video actually you've learned one thing or the other from it, please like and share this video, and don't forget to always hit the subscribe button so you can actually have all our new videos drop real time on all your gadgets. Thank you very much, and seeing you some other time again.